And welcome to 5800 South in Ogden, or some people call it O-Town. I don't know who calls it O-Town really, but I suppose some people might. But I don't really live in Ogden, haven't. Um, Not a bad part of Utah, actually. So we will go through the front part here first. This one actually sold the second it was done. So, well, and that's an exaggeration, actually, because it's not done yet. We still have a little bit to do on the inside. So you can see we've got a nice little garage here. Get the lights on. Oh, yay. See, the light made a huge difference. This is all of our stuff, but when we'll clean all this out, it'll actually be pretty good, and we're going to put kills on the walls and ceiling there, make it a really nice looking white garage. And we will go out. The door will close for me. And then I'm going in the front door. We replaced the front door with a nice quasi stained glass deal bob from Lowe's there. We've got all the outlets replaced, all the carpet, repainted everything. We painted this iron railing here, so we're going to start in the basement. So as we go down, kind of see we redid the bathroom, the tiles. As you can see, it's a very common theme. If you've watched any of the other videos that we have, we use the same tile, same stuff on most of them. A little bit still needs to be done as far as paint and stuff. And then we'll go to the room on the right. As you can see, it's not a bad looking little bedroom. And here's our first closet. Yay, go closet. It's not bad. Hey, there's a plug in the closet. Now, you don't get that very often. That's definitely a key advantage for those who like to live in the closet. And then the next bedroom here is a little bit smaller. Sadly, this one does not have an outlet in the closet, so this is where we're going to put the kids when they're bad, I guess. And then we come down here. This still needs to be finished. This will be a closet with a bit of a crawl space in the back there. And there's our windows in the basement, our clock. Guys do a crappy job of staging, but it didn't really matter. This house is already sold. One of the things I liked about this house is we were able to sell it, and look how old that thing is. That thing is an ancient furnace. It works, noisy as all get out. But it's still sold with that in. A lot of people would say that was a mistake. Property sold for what we wanted it for. So you tell me. All right, so here's our outside. Coming up the stairs here. You can see we've replaced a nice piece of fence. Made it nicer in the backyard. Come up here, not too bad. A little backyard. It's a 2,000 square foot home, so it's got quite a bit of appeal. It's got a nice little deck and a random workbench. So we kind of go around here. That's the side of our house. There. We'll come around the other side. So I don't feel like opening that other gate. I'm odd like that. A little bit of a rain gutter on the ground. It still needs to be kept up. But other than that, we are doing right. We'll come back in the front door and we'll go back in up the front stairs to see the kitchen in all of its wondrous glory. If I didn't lock myself out of the house first. All right, so here we are on the landing again, coming up the stairs, our brand new carpet. We've got our fireplace, the windows going outside, another clock. We like those. Some random artwork. Same tiles as you can see is in the bathroom. We've got some nice granite on the kitchen here. We've done the backsplashes, the plugs, the cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and the sink. So this actually looks really nice. And then you look out, there's our little deck. Ta-da! You put your nice barbecue out there. Have yourself a whole bunch of meat-related products. Then here's our hall closet. No outlet in there either. Fascinating with that. A little catch for the insulation as we're running wires up in the attic piece here. So we throw all the little bits there. So here's our upstairs bathroom. As you can see, it's quite dirty. This is not appealing to me. I have a conversation with the fellas. But you can see the roof still needs some work here. If you walk in, it's a walk-in bathroom to the master bedroom here. It's got a cool little view outside. You can see the neighbors, spy on them, with your telescope or, depending upon how weird you want to be. And then here's our closet. And we're coming around the mountain when she comes. We're going to go into this other room. We got this hall closet too. Good for some towels and other random artifacts of living. So then we got this room here. Again with a neat little view. And if we go in here to the closet, I actually like that layout in the closet a little bit better than even the master. So that's pretty cool. But that is 5800 South. Now, one of the things you'll find is sometimes when you order stuff, it don't fit. And that's what we had here. So this bad boy's got to go back. But that's okay. They will give me my money back, I hope. There you are. Beautiful little home. Wonderful space. It looks a lot better than it used to. It was a great remodel. Going to be some great profit in it.